All right, call it in, yo. Call it in. Call it in. Let's talk about it, man. What do y'all think about the Shaka Utmost situation? Let's go. Let's go. What do y'all think about the Shaka Utmost joint? Jabari or Shaka?
Call from
2 Dogs.
Peace and black power, family. What's your name? Where you calling from?
2 Dogs, Atlanta. What's up,
turn
Star?
it down in the back, brother. Turn it down.
I'm trying to right now. How's it now?
Yeah. Okay. I hear the baby. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah. My fault. I just had to jump into another room. Nah, Star, man, I've been listening to your show for a little bit. And every time these folks call up, they keep saying the same stuff, but they're not reading their own book. Their book says that Jesus came from Nathan. How if Matthew said Jesus came from Solomon? It's clear that this book is in error. Yet they keep basing everything in their life around it. It's madness. Morpheus brought this up the other day.
Mm-hmm.
And I used to be a Christian, so I understand. But at the end of the day, you got to grow up. That was this. That's all I have for you.
Yes, I agree with you, man. I agree.
No doubt. Peace and black power.
Peace, brother.